Okay, the next place I'm going to take you to actually is one of my favorite.
Right.
It's Nasi Kandar Imigrasen. The reason why it's called Imigrasen, Nasi Kandar, is because the immigration office is just up the road.
Right.
They want to serve reasonably priced food to the local immigrants and the local community that have made Penang. Hence why this guy, it's his great-grandfather, it's third generation,
right.
been serving Nasi Kandar food since about 1949.
Right.
And their signature that you have to try is onion chicken, roast chicken, butter chicken. Okay, let's get a big plate. And the thing is about nasi banjir. You know what nasi banjir is?
It's been like floated.
Shitloads of kwa. Loads of kwa on top, loads of sauce on top, and then you have your little bit of protein on there. Okay, I want you to have the first bite and tell me what you think.
Rich, depth.
And you've got all the flavors of
yeah.
fish curry. It's got the daging hitam. You've got the mutton curry in there. So it's like a sort of Rogan Josh. Malaysia's all about your meat masalas.
Okay.
Yeah. In India, you have your masala, but basically it's not so much about the curry powder. They make their own curry powders by adding certain ingredients into it. So it's more refined upon each spice, where here, basically, they use bubbers for everything.
But, well, can you tell me about a bit of story about the story behind of the Nasi Kandar itself?
Nasi Kandar, traditionally, like what he said in 1945, but this is even going back even further into the 1800s. Kandar is a pole.
Okay.
And so they used to carry rice and curry on a pole. So when all the workers, migrant workers, having their lunch breaks, etc., they would come and feed them on this Nasi Kandar. So that's sort of the history of it. So an idea of what I'm thinking, because Maxie and I are coming here to Penang to get ideas and to get inspiration. Now we have to go back to Bali and we've got to put on an event, maybe one, maybe two, depends on how much inspiration we get. And you may go, I want to go further and explore more. But one idea I thought we could have, no one really does for an event, is do a Nasi Kandar style buffet, etc.
A lot of protein, a lot of curry.
A lot of the curries in there, and they're basically me and you behind. You want a Nasi banjir as we're flooding the curry sauce, etc. So I think that could be a really good sort of concept for upstairs. And we do sort of maybe Indian-inspired cocktails. I think that's one great concept that would be fun to be had.
And we will come up with a lot of concept, I believe.
I think so.
It's still the beginning, though.
You never know. There might be a restaurant together.